Hi, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today's expression is it's on me. It's on me. It's on me. It means I'll pay. It's my treat. Lunch is on me today. I'll get these drinks, don't worry. The drinks are on me. This round of drinks is on me. It also means I'll take responsibility for something. I'll take the blame. For example, I'm sorry I broke your camera. It's on me. It's my fault. I'm really sorry I scratched your car. It's on me. I can't apologize enough for losing your keys. It's on me. It's totally on me. I take the blame. Use this expression as soon as you can so that you don't forget it. It's on me.